Hello, everyone. Coach Carole here. Remember, researching your family history can be a long and challenging journey, but it can be incredibly rewarding. And with the help of resources, a bit of determination, you'll be able to uncover the stories and secrets of your ancestors and perhaps understand your place in the world. If you'd like some help in getting started, book a special coaching call with me in January to get you started. You can do that by going to my Pensight booking system. I'll put the link below this video. So how to preserve your family history is something that you might be considering for 2023. And I have special sessions that you can book with me in January for just $30 for 30 minutes. So have a look for that on my website at coachcaroleonline.com.